Welcome guys to the second tutorial of the Contact app with the integration Firebase. So we were almost at the registering user activity, but we still had to work with our image view. So I have already taken image view here and I will apply an all click listener, and then we will be able to move further. And if you like my channel, please subscribe and text me on Instagram just to say hi. So earlier I was telling you that I have imported Dexter library for this. So yeah, this will come handy now. And also what I'm going to do here is URI image URI is equal to null. Okay. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to create a dialog. This is a very sophisticated method, but it's very easier to understand. Options, camera, dial, camera and gallery. Okay, and I'm going to take alert builder, alert dialog dot builder new this. Okay, and now here I'm going to builder set title, choose an option, and here we will do builder dot set items options new dialog dot interface on click listener, and here we will take two constants, final int gallery image code 100. It's up to you, you can give any code that you like. And what else, camera image code 200. Okay, we will go back to our helper method. Yeah, here you can write I or you can use this one, but I prefer I. If I is equal to 0, means the 0 position here is camera and 1 position is gallery. Then open camera dialog, or you can write just open camera. If position is equal to 1, then open gallery. Okay, perfect. So we will be creating these helper methods now. Okay, sweet. What we will do here is write the intent for gallery, new intent dot action pick, intent set type. So we are going to include all kind of images in PNG, JPEG, GIF, whatever. And here start activity for result, pass our intent and gallery image code. So here what we will do is use a little bit from the database related stuff. This was used last in my SQLite. So what I'm going to do here is, okay, here media store dot title temporary pick and here image URI is equal to get content resolver, insert media store, sorry guys, a little bit, here must be media store. Let me just take a look. Media store external something. There is a lot of code that we often forget, so it's okay. Yeah, media store dot images dot media dot external content URI and pass values here. And now here we will pass the camera intent, new intent, media store action image capture, intent, put extra media store external output, image URI, and start activity for result. We will pass intent and camera image code. Now this is done, and we will go to Google, or I will just copy paste it but from my old repository, but we can go to Google so you can also see Dexter dependency, because we want to be able to apply permissions also. We just don't want that right away user is giving the access to apply, yeah, the store the images. So what we will do is we will copy here the multiple permission method. Yeah, if you will come here, okay, I think, yeah, these are the multiple permissions. So we will copy it, create a helper method, private void permissions, and paste inside it here. And here we will come, alt enter. Okay, okay, the D is missing. And we will call this method in on create. So whenever the app is launched, it asks you if you want to give the access. Now, moving on. Here everything is done. After our image is done, we will come here and create, because when we sent an intent, we stored our image in the file in form of URL. So what we are doing is we are going to fetch it back on activity result. If result, if request code is equal to gallery image code and result code is equal to result okay, then here is data image URI that we had taken outside of on create, data get data okay, and image URI image view set image URI is equal to image URI, and we will copy paste it. If request code is camera, then image URI from above is null, and just set. So here we have fetched the image already, and what I will do is I will excuse me, I will run the app for now and see if there are any issue, and then if everything, then we will store the image here and also work with Firebase storage, because what we have done previously is only worked on uh, Firebase database. So for images we need to learn about Firebase storage also, not only about Firebase database. So meanwhile it's being loaded, I will start writing further code. I'll come here and take a storage reference storage reference, just name it. It's within the signup user method, and Firebase storage get instance get reference will create a file path here. We can name it user, okay, contact images, and we will name it here photos user, and Firebase user dot get UID, and here we will add as a child, sorry, file path file path. Okay, this is the path that we have made for our storage reference. I'll go to my console real quick and open my app. So app will be coming anytime, and go to storage, and here what I will do is create a storage database or storage location. Done. Yeah, just wait. Okay, our storage database ready. So what is going to happen here, it will create a contact images folder, then photos folder, and then user underscore Firebase user ID before adding the image. So I will just change the rules for now. What I'll do here is if true. Okay, the rules have been changed, and we'll go back to our storage and keep it here for now. Okay, perfect. Our activity is being launched here, I think. Okay, yeah, the app is being launched, and right now nothing should happen because we are still working. So let's just keep it there. If it's done from here, then we will work on it again. Okay, storage reference, put file, image URI. What I'll do is I will take this where is active? Yeah, here. right at the below. Okay, add on success listener. On success listener. Okay, great. And here task, because now the image is stored in this snapshot. So we, how do we get it out? Task URI task snapshot get metadata, or we can do get storage, get download URL, and here task add on success listener, on success listener. Perfect. Okay, here in this URI the image is stored, so I'll take a string image URL URI to string, and now we will copy this snippet into this one. So here what we have done is this image URL is going to be replaced here because this contains the URL linked to our image. And here it's asking us to, yeah, final. Okay, so we will run the app, and if everything is successful, then our image and our user should be registered successfully. But if there are some errors, then we will take a look into it. But we have written a lot of code, so it has been a long time coming. Okay, we will go to sign up. Yeah, it is asking for the permissions. And one thing I forgot to do was I always actually forgot to add this. Here we have to builder dot create dot show, because we will not be able to see options here like choose from gallery or choose from. And yeah, here we are again. Click on sign up. Okay, and now we should be able to see these options. Okay, we'll go to the gallery, because here camera and gallery, these are the one that has enabled us to. And yeah, here, and see, it's successfully changing the image because we are setting the image URI here. Okay, so I will type my username, email, and password. So now if it's successful, then here should be an image, and here in the database, yeah, in the database it should show us the user that was registered. So let's click on sign up. And yeah, here it has created a child, so where we have successfully registered our user. And now we can see that here this image has a separate URL which we can try in Google, the image that we have uploaded. Okay, successfully it is being showing here, and let's go to storage and I will show you the file path that I had created. So contact images, photos, and user, and that image is stored here. So perfect, no problem here. So we will kill our app and go to login again. Not to log in, because now the user is not null, so that is why it is taking us straight to the main activity. So yeah, that's pretty much about this video. It has successfully worked for us very well. This is the user ID, this is the child that was added here, and each time a user registers here with the separate user ID, the child would be added here. And lastly, I would like to show you that the email that we have registered is this. Here we should be able to see our email. Yeah, here we are seeing our email. In the next tutorial, I will teach you how to sign out and log in. So thanks for watching this video. I hope you have a good day and please subscribe to my channel.